Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my chili lime chicken recipe. If you're tired of boring dried out chicken breast, then this recipe is for you. With 4 simple steps, you'll be on your way to a delicious meal. Let's get started. We'll begin with our marinade by mixing together some chili powder, salt, ground black pepper, some garlic powder, onion powder, some cayenne pepper, and a sugar substitute equal to 1 teaspoon of regular sugar. Mix these dry ingredients together. Now add some apple cider vinegar, lime juice, and some oil. I'm using avocado oil, but any oil will work. Give another mix to combine. Now set this aside. You'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. As you see, these are the full breasts with the tenderloin still attached. Prep the chicken by first removing the tenderloin. You also want to remove any excess fat if you see any. And now cut the remaining breast in half. One of the main reasons chicken breast can be dry and flavorless is that most of the flavor is added to the outside before cooking. By making these thinner, we're adding more surface area. That, along with the marinating process, equals more flavor inside and out. Once the chicken has been prepped, and depending on the space you have in your refrigerator, place in a bowl or Ziploc bag. Pour the marinade over the chicken. Gently stir or massage the chicken to ensure that all the surface area of the chicken is exposed to the marinade. Place this in the refrigerator and let rest for 2 hours to overnight. To a skillet on medium-high heat, add some oil. Again, I'm using avocado oil, but any will do. Place the chicken in the skillet, being sure not to crowd. Let this sit and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Flip and cook the other side for the same 4 to 5 minutes. Now remove to a plate and keep warm. Add some more oil to the pan and repeat with the final batch. This chicken is so moist and tender. Serve it sliced over a salad or on its own with a nice vegetable accompaniment. Perfect for lunch or dinner. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my easy-to-make chili lime chicken. A moist and flavorful recipe sure to brighten up any low-carb meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.